So hello friends, today I am going to tell you some practicing tip, and I am telling you that if you follow these tips, so you will be able to speak fluent spoken English. Okay, so let's move on the first tip. So friends, our first tip is listening tip. Now what you have to do, so friends, you just have to listen any podcast or anything. You can listen in which topic you are interested. You can listen podcast, you can listen English content, you can listen English commentary. Okay, so anything else, it is up to you in which you are interested. You can listen. Friends, I am saying to listen because whenever you listen, so your observing power is improved. Okay, and when you will be able to listen, so then you will be able to speak, then you will be able to give answer. So without listening, how you will be able to speak, how you will be able to answer? So firstly listen, then speak. So friend, this was the first tip. Now move on the second tip, and our second tip is writing tip. Friends, it is also very useful. You just have to write anything, it is up to you. Okay, I repeat, it is up to you. You just have to write. Friends, writing tip is also very helpful for observing the things, because whenever you write, so before writing, firstly you will have to think. And friends, when you will think, so your mind will be able to observe the things that are being used. Okay, but friends, remember one thing, that whenever you think, so remember this, that you will have to think in English, because you want to speak English. Okay, so think in English and then write in English. So this was the second tip. Let's move on the third tip, and our third tip is reading. Friends, reading is very enjoyable because there is a flow. When you speak, you can assume your speaking, you can assume your speaking of English. Okay, so reading is also very enjoyable. Practicing tip, after using this tip, your tongue will be able to speak, your tongue will be comfortable while speaking. Okay, so reading is also very helpful for your speaking. So friends, these were the tips that are very helpful for your spoken English. Friends, one thing another I want to tell you, that don't get it hard, means don't get your practicing hard. You just have to remember that I have to enjoy myself, I have to enjoy my process. Okay, if you will enjoy your process, so definitely you will be able to speak fluent English. So friends, meet in the next video. And friends, if you are new in our channel, so don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like in this video.